Okay, so everybody in here knows what standards are for your classroom. Well, what for anybody's classroom like math and science and all that. So, what you have to do here is you have to create your own standards for your work-based learning site because everybody works a different job and everybody does different things. So that is called the training plan in work-based learning. So everybody would have to open up the training plan. When you go into the training plan, you're going to view all instructions, of course. And up here in the top right hand corner of yours, mine is not in the top right hand corner. It will call Training Plan 2024. I am going to make a copy of it. You do not make a copy of it. Do not make a copy of it. It automatically does it for you. But if I start typing on this one, then it would um, be yours, and I don't want it to be yours. So you will not make a copy of it. You will just use the one that's there. So of course, go ahead and make sure you put your name. So I'm gonna put my name here because my name is Jenny Pitts. And I'm gonna pretend like I'm a student. My job title is a teacher. That's what I do. My company name is Cook High School. My company address is 99 um, Highway 37, Adel, Georgia 31620, and my phone number is there. You can get all of that information off of your company information, your worksite information worksheet that you just did the other day. You can also get your information of this yellow also on that sheet. So my person is Richard Herron. He is a CTAE director. His phone number is also the same as the school, and his email would be um, whatever is put on your sheet. So make sure that all of that information up there is typed. Okay, this is my first year in here, so I would click new student. But if it's not my first year and I started working here last year, I'd say same training plan as last year, just copy and paste it. So all you have to do if you are in work-based learning the second semester or third semester, then you would just open up last year's from last year's classroom, copy the information below and pull it over. But you may have had a new job, a new mentor, you may have also have the same work, but a different job. So you may still be working like at the high school, but instead of working in the media center, I'm now working in the CPC. And then also, if I'm a repeat, I may be in here for the second year, but I have a new job and a new training plan. So check which one is applicable to you. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to list everything you do at your job. And you're like, I don't know what I do at my job because I just started there 3 days ago. So if you go back to the training plan, you can go to onetonline.org. So the instructions, you click this and you open it up. When you open it up, this just gives you generic descriptions of job descriptions that you might do. You can also use these modified. You don't copy and paste, but you can modify these duties for your resume so it makes your resume sound smarter. So I'm going to say that I'm a teacher. So I'm going to go in here where it says occupational I can say teacher, and it's going to give me a whole bunch of different kind of stuff that I teach. So I'm not a special ed middle school. I'm not a preschool. I am a secondary teacher. So I'm going to go here. And here are some things that I would be doing as a teacher. So my task, I develop and implement strategies to meet the needs of students with a variety of handicapping conditions. So I copy this, go back over to my training plan, move me out of the way. And when I paste, I'm going to paste without, um, so it's going to be values only. So I paste values only. Therefore, my information is in there. But let's say I don't meet, or let's go back over and get the next one. So I'm going to observe and evaluate students' performance on social behavior, physical health. I'm going to copy, go back over, paste without formatting, so it's just the values only. But when I observe and evaluate students' performance, behavior, and social development and physical health, I don't do physical health. So I'm going to take off this, so I modify it so it fits me. Now, if you are using these on your references, this is not the way you talk, but you can use the same kind of information and put it in there. Now, let's say that I know for a fact I'm going to have to check the mail every single day and put it in the different boxes. So I could just type it in. Check, um, check mailboxes for incoming mail and distribute to teacher work boxes, if that is something I would do. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put at least 10 things you do. Don't just say mop floors. Make it sound better of what you do. And you're going to have at least 10. When you get at least 10, then you're good to go. I think that's what the training and instruction says. Yeah, you must have at least 10 duties that you do every day. Everybody does 10 duties every day at your job. If not, then oh my Lord, you are bored, I'm sure, at work. So once you have this fixed, all you have to do is hit submit. Any questions? Make sure you come by my room. I will be glad to help you. Now, oh, one more thing. If you go back over here and you know that I'm a teacher, but I have to do custodial work because I have to clean my room, let's say. So I'm going to look up custodian instead of custodian. So here is a housekeeping. So some things I might have to do is I might have to perform and assist with cleaning duties as necessary. So everybody in your job pretty much does that, because if you don't have anything else to do, the old story goes, if you got time to lean, you got time to clean. So therefore you can put something like that on your training plan also. This is how your evaluator will evaluate you at work, saying if you're doing the right thing, if you're not doing the right thing. And what you can also do is take this to your work and you can say, hey, is this everything that I'm going to be doing if you're new at the job? And you can say, is this everything I'm going to be doing? And they can write it up and tell you a couple more things that you can put down there. If you have any questions, again, come see me. Thanks. Bye.